Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the enchanting world of Spanish home decoration ideas. If you want to infuse your living space with warmth, vibrancy, and a touch of Mediterranean elegance, you have come to the right place. Spanish decor is all about celebrating rich tradition, embracing lively colors, and incorporating rusty charm. So let's explore some inspiring ideas to transform your home into a Spanish heaven. Spanish homes are known for their bold and vibrant color palettes that evoke passion and joy. Embrace the warm hues like terracotta, earthy reds, sunny yellows, fiery oranges, and deep cobalt blues. Use these colors too on your walls or as accent throughout your home to create a welcoming and energizing atmosphere. One of the most distinctive features of Spanish decor is the use of decorative tiles. Incorporate hand painted tiles with mesmerizing geometric patterns or intricate floral designs in your kitchen, backsplash, bathroom, or even as an eye catching feature in your living room. Tiles not only add character but also keep your home cool during hot summer days. To capture the essence of Spanish interior design, opt for rustic wooden furniture pieces. Look for weathered, distressed finishes and intricately carved details. A solid wood dining table with high backed chairs or a vintage inspired chest of drawers can add a touch of authenticity or to your Spanish inspired space. Soft textiles plays a significant role in creating a cozy ambience. Integrate vibrant curtains and plush cushions with lively patterns inspired by Spanish motifs like florals and geometrics. Consider using handmade blankets and wall tapestries to add an artistic touch and infuse your space with a sense of history. If you have a patio or terrace, transform into a quintessential Spanish oasis. Arrange terracotta pots filled with Mediterranean plants like lavender, bougainvillea, or lemon trees. Add a mosaic top table with wrought iron chairs to create a perfect spot for outdoor dining or relaxing with friends and family. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of any space. Embrace the romantic ambience of Spanish decor with lanterns and hanging lamps inspired by Moroccan design. The soft glow of these fixtures will add magical touch to your rooms. Candles and candlesticks can also be incorporated for a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Creating a Spanish inspired home is a beautiful way to infuse your living space with a warmth and charm of Mediterranean culture. By incorporating rich colors, decorative tiles, rustic wooden furniture, cozy textiles, and enchanting lighting, you can transform your home into heaven. Adorn your walls with traditional Spanish art such as oil paintings, depicting rustic landscapes, and flamenco scenes. Hand painted ceramic plates are also popular choice for wall art. Consider using ornate mirrors with elaborate frames to add a touch of elegance and vintage charm. Spanish home decoration is a celebration of color, culture, and timeless elegance. Whether you are revamping an entire room or just adding a few touches, embracing Spanish decor will bring a Mediterranean flair to your living space. Remember to mix traditional elements with your personal style to create a space that reflects your unique taste. I hope you found these Spanish home decoration ideas inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others who might be interested. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next videos. Adios.